There. So let's start today's class. Okay. I think everybody has reached. So 15th question. If you have taken down the information, I'm going to I will copy paste it there and we will start doing. This is the question. Okay, let us read it carefully. As I said, reading is the key thing. A man rowing a boat away from the lighthouse, which is 150 meters high. Okay, so let us draw the lighthouse. This is our lighthouse. AB is the name I am giving. Okay, and it is 150 meters high. The person is going away from the lighthouse. So he has reached here. He rode away. Now, lighthouse takes 2 minutes to change the angle of elevation. Okay. From here to here, it was 45 degree. Fine angle of elevation. After 2 minutes, that means he moved again, and after 2 minutes, what happened? Angle of elevation became 30 degree, correct? Angle of elevation became 30 degree. You have to find the speed. Read the question carefully. Speed, what is the formula? Distance by time. Time is already given to you. That means you need to find the distance CD. You have to find CD. That is the crucial thing in this question. CD is the thing that you have to find. Okay, fine. So let us start doing the question. You see here 45. Automatically, what should come to your mind? If this is 150, this also will be 150. Is that correct? Or else, if you want, I will show it to you in writing in triangle ABC. Nitanya? Nitanya is not there. So this portion becomes 150. That is done. Now we have to look which triangle. Atishay, which triangle?
Yeah, ma'am.
Which triangle should I concentrate next on?
ACD.
ACD? No, never. You will never take a triangle like this. Come on, yaar. In trigonometry, don't you think one angle has to be 90 degree?
Ma'am, ABD, right?
A, B, D you will take. After these many sessions, don't talk like this, yaar.
Ma'am, that's how I solved it.
How can you solve like that? You cannot. It's wrong. A, B, D. A, B, D. Always one has to be 90 degree. We have done so many trigonometry questions. So in ABD, tan 30 is equal to AB by which side? AB by, come on, AB by Atishay.
50.
BD, AB by BD. So tan,
Ma'am, I did 150 by CD.
no, you are wrong. How is it
Ma'am,
150? They never said AC is 150. How can you take it as 150? Please,
ma'am, I think I took the.
again and again I'm saying, kids, understand the question and do. People who are finding it difficult to understand the diagram from day 1, day 2, day 3, the recordings are there. Please spend your time and go through them again. Tan 30 is how much? 1 by
Root
root
3
3. AB is 150 and BD is 150 plus,
Plus CD.
yeah, CD.
My commit is taken as X.
What? I took already
Commit.
X now. I took X here already.
Oh, okay.
I don't
Oh,
want to take. Or else you can take Y, whatever you feel.
okay.
So 1
So
by,
guys, will that become 150 plus CD is equal to 150 to 3 or something like that?
yeah, that's what we will do. 150 plus CD equal to 150 root 3. That means CD is equal to 150 root 3 minus 150. 150 is common, root 3 minus 1. That is your CD. Now they're asking you to find speed. Speed is equal to CD by 2 because distance by time. So that is 150 bracket 1.732 minus 1 by 2. How much are you getting?
Ma'am, I got 109.8 by 120 because I took the minutes as in seconds.
But you need to convert in your distance is in meters, right?
Yes, I took it as meters per second.
Meters per second. Even I did that.
So how much are you getting?
0.91 meters per
I got
second.
0.915 meter per second.
0.9. Yeah, that's fine. But it is advised to convert in meter. Meters is always shown in minutes unless specified in the question. So 75 into 0.732 because 1 minus, right? So you will get,
I got 54.9
yeah, that's the
meters per minute.
correct answer. Kids, I'm again requesting if anybody has problem with this chapter again, please go through the recording once. And after that,
Ma'am, so it's fine to set in meters per minute, right?
yeah, after going through the recordings, if you have doubts, please ask again. But don't do silly mistakes. In trigonometry, whenever you are doing whichever triangle you are taking, one has to be 90 degree. One
Ma'am,
angle has to be 90 degree.
ma'am, what's the answer?
Ma'am, can you show the 15th question again?
Ma'am, what's the answer?
Answer is 54.9.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can you
ma'am, I actually got 0.915 meters per
Yeah, that
second.
you converted to seconds.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
yeah,
is
I
it wrong?
converted to
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can
is
seconds.
it
you
wrong?
zoom out?
Zoom out.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
is it wrong if you do it in seconds?
is it?
Ma'am, there is no such unit as meters per minute.
Yeah.
Wait, let me check. But it is given in minutes now. Wait. Meters per minute is there.
Ma'am, but then if they give it in minutes, you have to convert it to seconds and then we make
Seconds.
it meter per second.
Kilometer per hour and meter per second or meter per
Yeah.
minute.
Yeah, meter per
Yes, sir.
second.
I thought meter per second is not there. Meter per minute is there and kilometer per hour. Meter per second is also there, but see, if you write the answer, it's not wrong. But why I said in minutes is Here the units are given in meters and minutes. So I asked you to keep it like that. If you're converting it into seconds, that's also fine.
So, ma'am, it's not wrong.
No.
Ma'am, I had got the answer as 54.8. Is that alright?
Yeah, that's all right. Now question number 16. Oh, I have to copy paste it. Um, a man on the deck of a ship 12 meters above the water level. That means, again, this is a very important question. It is something like what you say, the shadow and all those things. So let me just see it. 1 minute. The
Ma'am,
man,
can you explain this question?
yeah, that's what I'm doing. 1 minute. First, let me just sit properly. A man on the deck of a ship 12 meters above the water level. First of all, let us make that 12 meters. This is 12 meters, which is above the water level. Observes that the angle of elevation. That means somebody is looking from here. Where? Let me just give it a name, AB. So somebody is looking from A to top of what? Of a cliff. So this is the cliff. That means when you are looking high, that means the cliff is taller. So if the cliff is taller, this guy is looking like this and he's making 60-degree. So you all know first will be a straight line, isn't it? Then he is moving his eyelid and then he is making 60-degree. Fine. And the angle of depression, that means he's also looking down to the base of the cliff is 30-degree. So from here he is also looking down. So he is making 30 degrees. Here he is looking. Okay. So that means on the ground level, this is also 30-degree alternate interior angles. Find the distance of the cliff from the ship and the height of the cliff. So we have to find two things. We have to find BC and we have to find CD. But one thing we know, this is 12, so this part is also 12. Okay, and this part let us do as y. If this is x, this part is also x. So a couple of things are sorted. Now let us start doing it. First, we will take this triangle. Let me name it as AED. In triangle AED, opposite side and adjacent side are involved, so I will take which one? Tan 30. Tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to y by x. How much is tan 60?
Root 3?
Root 3.
Root 3x equal to y. We got that value. Fine. We will make it as our first equation. Then we will go to the next triangle. Atishay, which is the next triangle?
Oh, ma'am, I used.
Not you used. You used that like you do not understand. Now, I want to see now did you
I
understand?
used
In
cot
this,
instead of tan. Ma'am, first I did tan 30 is equal to DC by AD.
no, I'm saying with respect to my diagram.
Yeah, ma'am. Um, ma'am, I didn't understand. Ma'am, because I did it in a different method.
Atisha, I'm explaining. Last question also I explained. This also I'm explaining. So you are still not following.
Ma'am, I'm trying.
So when I said AED, did you observe that part?
Yeah, yeah.
AED. So if I'm taking AED for 60 degrees, I'm asking which is the other triangle that I have to concentrate now.
Ma'am, I was going to ask, ma'am, first you're finding the height, right? Or,
Wait, ma'am, what's the height?
Height is not given. We have to find
No, no,
that.
what's the answer?
Wait. I'm not telling in between. So now we will concentrate on triangle ABC.
um,
In triangle ABC, it is 30 degree tan through proper brushing. So we can again take tan 30. Tan 30 equal to 12 by x. How much is tan 30? 1 by
okay.
root 3 equal to 12
Ma'am, I
by.
took triangle AEC.
You did triangle?
AEC.
That's okay only, not a problem.
Oh,
But generally, you have to remember you will use this alternate angle method. That's the correct method. If this is equal, you can do this way also. Or else, if you're doing like this, not a problem. So here, x is equal to 12 by root 3. Or we can say x is equal to 12 root 3 by 3, which makes it 4 root 3. Right? So what is the value of y? We will substitute y is equal to
ma'am, how is x equal to 12 by root 3? Like when you cross multiply, like,
12 root 3.
yeah.
It's 12 root 3.
Ma'am, is the height like 48 meters?
1 minute. If x is 12 root 3, y from here, equation number 1, y is what? Root 3 into 12 root 3. That means 12 into 3, which is 40.
48.
48.
36.
36, which is 36. So y is equal to 36. 36 plus 12 equal to 48. That is
Yes, ma'am,
height
with the height
of,
as 48.
yeah, that is the height of the cliff. And the distance of the ship from the cliff is 36,
12
right?
root
No,
3.
that was your x, 12 root 3. That you will have to figure out. 12 into 1.732. This is correct only, Atishay. Then what you were saying you are doing different?
Yeah, I just did it in a different way, but got the right answer.
No, it's not wrong way.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just sending it to double check.
Ma'am, is it 48?
Yeah, 48 is the correct answer. Now question number 17. See, these questions that you are doing are like very important questions. Put 2-3 stars, guys, because they are really important. Anybody has guys who have done 17th question, can you please send me your working? 17th question, I want to see the working.
Ma'am, could you go back to the last part of the 16th question? Ma'am, can you zoom out because I can't see the.
Hmm?
Can you zoom out?
Whoever has done 17th question, yeah, okay.
Yeah, ma'am, I wrote.
Yeah, Sura, your diagram is okay. Swara, can you just look at the board? 1 minute, Swara.
Yeah.
See, your everything is correct, but just the marking, okay? You did like this, that's fine. That 100 meter. And see, this is when you're standing here, you look straight first, right? And you made observe top of high meter, the angle of depression of the two ships are 30 and 40. That is, two ships are here, one ship is here, one ship is here. So from here, if he is looking big angle, so this is becoming 45, that's fine. Now when he is looking here, no, you have to draw like this. Understand? This is the line of sight. All angles will start from that only. Always look straight and then you are moving your eyelid. Understand? That marking. Otherwise, your answer is perfectly correct. Yeah, your diagram and answer is correct. Uh, uh, Atishay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Hassan, that's correct. Yeah, Simran, that's correct. Yeah, Ibrahim's diagram is also correct.
And what about the answer?
Yeah, that's correct. Class ക്ലാസ്സിലാ പിന്നെ വിളിക്കാം ക്ലാസ്സിലാണ് പിന്നെ വിളിക്കാം Please do. Sister not in the group. 17th one, everybody please send me your
Yeah, I
working.
didn't.
Speed up, speed up.
Also, the answer is also correct, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's correct, Zishta. Start doing it. Everybody do the 17th question quickly. Please finish it fast and send me the working. So kids who are done with 17th question, please do 18th and 19th. I want everybody's working for 17th. All of you, please send it to me fast. Yeah, good job, Simran. It's correct. Yes, Clive, it's correct.
Ma'am, can you explain the 17th one?
Wait, let everybody try it after that. Most of the kids have sent it. So I'm just waiting for everybody to do that, and after that I'll explain. Yeah, come on. Most of the kids have sent the working. I want everybody to send it. Where is Nitanya today? Somebody please try calling Nitanya.
Ma'am, the 18th one is similar to the cliff question, right?
Yeah. Who all are having problem with 17th question?
Ma'am, me.
Yeah, Panache said. Anybody else?
Ma'am,
Ish,
Eastern and 70.2. I cannot send the photo right now. The
Isa,
phone.
Zaki, Pranav,
Yes, ma'am.
Anthony, send me your work. 17th question.
Wait, ma'am.
Ma'am, my mom is outside.
Yeah, there are other people at home now. Shraddha, Safir, Lakshmi, everybody send your work. Others have sent it. Avnita, Aryan, Anandini. Speed up, speed up. There are
Ma'am, I
others at
sent
home.
it.
Take the mobile and send the work. 17th one, I need the work. Yeah, Shraddha, it is correct.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you? Nitanya got her first degree.
Yes, Avnita, yours is correct. Guys, please do it fast so that I can move to the next questions. Panache, you tell me where you are getting stuck.
Ma'am, first part diagram.
Yeah, diagram you help me to draw.
Okay.
This is the question. Hmm. Tell how to draw. What is the first thing
So
I should
first
draw?
we'll draw the lighthouse, 100
Okay.
meters tall.
Okay, wait. Lighthouse, 100-meter tall. Yes.
And then we draw the angle of depression from one ship, that is 30 degrees,
There is a ship here and there is a ship
like a
here.
hypotenuse, that is 30 degrees.
But which is your line of sight? This is your line of sight, first one, right? I always
Yes.
told for depression, the first you have to draw a straight line, and the lighthouse and the boat are on the same level, so it is the straight line. Now, from here, what are you doing? Two ships you are observing, correct?
Yeah, but then there's angle of depression, so like we have to like draw that hypotenuse.
Yeah, so you have to draw, you have to look at this one first. You have, if there are two boards like A and B, if you're looking at B, which angle is it? Which angle is it?
That'll be 45. Alternate interior angles.
So you are saying this is 45. Okay. This
Yeah.
is 45 and you are saying this is 30.
No, no, wait, the opposite way. Sorry.
So that you have to be careful. So this is 30 and this is 45. That means nearer one is 45 and this is 30. So what is there that you could not draw in this diagram?
Ma'am, I didn't understand like how to draw the eye thingy,
Now
the
did you
eye level.
understand?
Yeah.
Good job, Anandini. This is correct. Yes, Zishta, it's correct. Answer is also correct.
Ma'am, can you check, man?
Atishay. Atishay is 18th, right? 18th I have not looked at. So let me just go to the next question.
Ma'am, in the 18th question,
Ma'am, I think we did the 19th one already.
Yeah, that was a practice. It's okay. You guys do it.
ma'am, in the 18th question, like, is it saying that the um like something is like standing on the edge of the lake or like
Wait, ma, wait. First, let me check this Atishay's question. Atishay is doing 18th one. 18th. 30, 60. Oh, there is a
I also did the 18th one.
18th one. Doubt is there for kids?
Ma'am, I sent you the answer.
You sent me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Why can't it be like this? See, guys, logically, you think if this is for 30 degree and the smaller one is 45, how is it possible? Hmm. Huh? Nearer one is a bigger angle, right? Big angle, small angle.
yes, ma'am.
And also here they have clearly said one ship is exactly behind the other ship, and they said 30 and 45. So first 30 and 45. So you cannot go, first he is observing 30-degree from here. He is observing the boat at 30-degree. So which is this? Then he is observing 45-degree ka.
And what do you get the distance?
I think it was 73 point something.
Y- Ma'am, I got the total distance.
73.2.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I also got that.
Now, 18th question, guys. Almost everybody sent me the work other than one or two kids. Yeah, this is correct. So, I'm going with the 18th question because diagram is little tricky. Nehit, close the door. At a point A. At a point A. Okay, this is my point A. 20-meter above the level of water in a lake. 20-meter above. Guys, please look at this diagram. 20 meter above. The angle of elevation of a cloud. Cloud question is super important, kids. Angle the angle of elevation of a cloud is 30. Cloud. Okay. It's looking at the cloud is making 30 degree. Let me draw a straight line. 30 degrees. Okay. So this is here. Now what happened? The angle of depression of the reflection of the cloud in the lake is 60. Not that easy. Now see, this is 20 meters. So this is the sea level. This is the sea level. Correct? Please observe carefully. This is the sea level and the cloud is here. I hope everybody is there with me. I hope everybody is there with me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Where will be the reflection of the cloud fall? See, this is the sea level and this is above the sea level. Reflection cannot fall anywhere here. Reflection will fall in the lake water. Is that correct? Reflection will fall in the lake water. And always remember, when anything's reflection is falling in the water, let me just make it small, this particular height, which height? This height will be equal to the height in the water. So the reflection of the cloud will fall somewhere here. This is the reflection of the cloud. Okay, so the reflection of the cloud will fall here. Then the guy is looking down. He is looking down at an angle of 60 degree at the reflection.
Ma'am, so it's 2H.
2h. What are they asking you to find? Find the distance of the cloud from A. You have to find AB, this one. C, D, E, F. You have to find the distance of AB.
Ma'am, so it's basically 6.66 into 2.
Basically,
It's my answer, but it's twice the answer.
that I have not corrected. Wait. Let me see, okay, this one. So did you find out the value of this H, Atishay?
Ma'am, no. I didn't do the
Ma'am, I got
reflection.
that value as 26.66.
How much?
26.66.
For AB?
Ma'am, BD.
Not very sure. Let us do. We will start with tan 30. Okay, we will start with tan 30. Very important question. The diagram. If anybody has not understood the diagram, you can ask again. We will start with tan 30. Tan.
Ma'am, they're just asking the distance from the point A.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, we don't need to do all that, right?
Otherwise, we cannot get now. There is no chance to get it.
Ma'am, because we just need to find AB.
Yeah. So how will you find AB? X's value is not there. H's value is not there. Only thing we have is these two angles and that 20 meters.
Yeah, ma'am.
So we can't do anything. See, if I take tan 30 also, tan 30 is equal to BC by AC according to my diagram. So how much is tan 30? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is tan 30. And how much is BC? I don't know. Or else H minus 20 we can take. We can
Yeah.
take H minus 20. AC is X only. We don't know this value also. So we can say X is equal to H minus 20 root 3. That will become our first equation. Right? Now what? Now we will go for the next one. Tan 61. Okay. So, which is that triangle? In triangle ACE. See? ACE. Tan 60 is equal to, through proper brushing, CE by AC. Correct? Just look at the diagram, guys, and relate to the namings that I have given. Then tan 60 is root 3. CE. How much is CE? 20 is there and H is there. So this becomes H plus 20. CE. Guys, tell me how much is CE? CE. How much is CE?
20 plus H.
Yeah, 20 plus H. Is everybody able to understand? 20 plus H. And how about AC? AC, did we find it? We did not. We did. We found AC to be H minus 20 root 3. Correct now? From here. So what did we get? H minus 20 into 3. Correct? What happened? Yeah. You guys also tell the answers, guys. What will happen after this? Come on.
So you open the bracket, so 3H minus 60 is equal to 20 plus H.
3H minus 60, right?
60.
So 2H equal to 80. See, H is equal to 40. Now let me just see the diagram. Don't know. It's correct. H is 40. The whole thing. If H is 40, 20, 20 root 3. So we will have to substitute the value. That means H is coming as 40. Okay. So what is our X? X is 40 minus 20, 20 root 3. 20 root 3. You will have to use Pythagoras theorem to find AB. Who all understood this question? It's a 5 marker. Be serious and tell me truth. Please tell me the truth if you understand this or not.
Ma'am, I messed up at the diagram part, but I think I can do it with like the equations again
Okay.
on my own.
Kids who cannot
Me
do
too.
it, please open your mouth. It's 5 marker. I can take you through this once again, but if you don't say, I will not.
I didn't really
Ma'am,
understand.
can
Can
you
you
explain it
explain
once
again?
again?
At least one kid opens up. At a point A. So this is your point A. Panache, we will go word by word. 20 meters above the water level. So this is 20 meters above the water level. So there is water below this. You have to know that. There is water below this. Okay. It is like this. Now, the angle of elevation of a cloud. That means there is a cloud here. So when a person is looking at the cloud from this particular position, he is making an angle of elevation of 30 degree. Correct. Another thing that you should know is this is the ground level where this portion is the ground. So if I say A, B and I say C, I'll join it. I say D here and this becomes my E. Always remember this is the height of the cloud from the ground. This is the height of the cloud from the ground. So if this is 20, this is also 20. So this is total minus 20. Clear? This part is clear to you, Panache?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, see, the reflection falls in the water. We have to remember that. Any object's reflection falls in the water, not on the ground. The moment you draw the diagram correct now, half of the part of the question is done. So that portion is done. So my cloud is here. The reflection is here. And we have to remember the reflection is at a same distance. So this whole portion will also be H. This whole portion will also be H. Now this one, when he is looking at the cloud from here, the angle of depression, oh, not from B, sorry, it's from A. This is 60 degree. Is it clear? So only thing which is challenging in this is the reflection. Where does the reflection fall? Once that is done, the part of the question becomes easy. The diagram is most important in this kind of questions. And the cloud question is very, very important.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
instead of h minus 20, can we take it as like y?
See, if you take it as y, it's not wrong, but it will become little bit more lengthy and tricky. Here we are taking h minus 20. Suppose you have 10 rupees with you. You give 6 rupees to your brother or someone. How much is left with you? You won't say that unknown variable is left. You will say you are left with 10 minus 6. Similarly, if the entire height is h and a part of it is 20, the other part has to be h minus 20.
Okay.
So now we will start with in triangle ADE. Tan 30 is equal to h minus 20 by x. How much is tan 30?
1 by
1
root
by
3.
root 3. 1 by root 3. That makes our life easier. We get the value for x. So this is your first equation. X is equal to this much. Now you go to your next triangle. In triangle AD, what did I give here? A, B, C, D, E, F. Let me say F. ADF. In triangle ADF, tan 60 is equal to, see, here, observe, this is the height they are looking at. So, from the water till the cloud it is h and this portion is 20. So, you will take it as h plus 20 by x. Tan 60 is root 3x equal to h plus 20. But x is already h minus 20 root 3. So you will say root 3 into root 3 bracket h minus 20. So 3 into h minus 20 equal to h plus 20. You solve it. You will get the value. You will get,
Ma'am, I got H as 25.
how
I
will
mean, sorry, 20, 20.
h will not be 20. How is it 20? Because when I open the bracket, this will become 3h minus 60.
Oh, yeah, right.
So 2h equal to 80 and h is equal to 40. Now you come back to your diagram. If h is the entire h is equal to 40, then ED equal to 40 minus 20, which is 20. And how much is AD? AD is nothing but h minus 20 root 3. 40 minus 20 is 20. So x is 20 root 3. Now we have to find the distance of AE. AE square, according to our diagram, AE square is equal to AD square plus DE square. So AE square is equal to, AD is how much? 20 root 3 square plus 20 square, which is 400 into 3 plus 400, which is 1200 plus 400, which is 1600. So AE equal to under root 1600. So AE is equal to 40 meters. That is how you get your answer. It's a 5 marker. It is worth 5 marker because there is lot of work to be done in this question. Let me know if everybody is done with 18th question. It's a very good question, guys. I don't mind you doing 2-3 times, repeating and getting it registered in your head also. It's a 5-marker question and really important. Put 3 to 5 stars there. In one of your exams, this will definitely come. Either half yearly, either pre-board or final. One exam, this has to come, or your boards. Are you all done?
Wait, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Hmm? Everybody done with 18th question?
Ma'am, can you just go to the question? I want to take a screenshot.
Yeah, this is 10th grade. It's there in the group also, Isa.
Oh, okay. Then it's fine.
Yes. Can we go to the 19th question, guys? If you're done with 18th, please go to 19th and try to do yourself. It's a case study question. Sometimes applications of Trigo only comes with...
Can you zoom in?
I'm not able to. I thought I don't know why it's... Wait, let me see, huh? 1900. See, it's not... I'm not able to, yaar. Did you all complete 19th question? Can we discuss the answer? Guys, can we discuss the answer?
Yes, ma'am, done with the work. No issue on mine. Yes, ma'am.
19th question, they are saying this tall, we have done this question. Girl spots a balloon moving with the wind, horizontal, okay, fine. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. So distance, you did 30, x plus y. 87, yeah. Okay, x is 29. Yeah, Simran, you are correct. Yours. What is the answer for the first question, 19th part 1?
Ma'am, for that I got 100.4.
100.4.
Ma'am, same
100.4
here.
is perfectly
Me too.
correct. Huh?
Ma'am, I got 100.
I got 100.4.
Perfect. So 19th part 1 is 100.4. That is perfectly correct. Second question, find the speed of the balloon. What is the speed?
Ma'am, 3.3 meters per second.
1.3.
Avnita, what is the speed for you? Anthony, what is the speed?
Ma'am, I got
Ma'am, I'm doing the second one.
3.9.
Ma'am, I got
And
3.34.
that's
Ma'am,
correct.
even I got 3.
Good. So I think almost everybody got the 19th answer. Anybody has done the OR part?
Ma'am,
Anybody?
for the all part, I got 259.8.
259.8. Let me see.
Ma'am, for that one I got 258.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 point.
This one I got 259.
259.8 is perfectly correct. Good job, kids. Most of the kids have got the basics correct and you are able to do
And I
difficult.
got 259.5.
Perfect. That answer is perfect. Now we have to do the 20th question and with that our chapter will get to an end. 20th question. Please do it. Do 20th question fast.
I'm finishing the question for that.
Can you? What did you say?
And they just give the paragraph, not the question.
20th. 1
And
minute.
the questions are not there, only the paragraphs there.
1 minute. Let me just see if I can zoom it here.
Ma'am, in the 20th question, what are they asking us to find? Because there's no question.
Let me see. Let me see. Or else maybe I have not pasted it properly. From point. Okay. I have sent in the group. If you, I'll go to the 20th question. Yeah. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Done. 20th question done.
I'm almost done.
Done. 20th question.
I'm on the third one, to be honest. Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Simran's answer is 24. Thank you, Simran. Simran, this is good. I'm very happy, Simran. You're sending all the questions work once in a while. Good job. Okay. So, guys, what is the answer for 20th first question? 20th part 1.
Ma'am, for that I got 13.8 meters.
13.8 meter. Perfectly. Guys, other than Ibrahim, Simran, and Zishta, other kids can also talk. Join in conversation, and after that you say, I feel sleepy in online class. If you don't talk, you will feel sleepy in face-to-face class also. Interact. Say the answers. Why am I sitting here and screaming? Hassan, what's your answer for the first one?
Ma'am, is it 8 root?
13.85.
13.85. First
Ma'am, is it
part.
8 root 3?
8 root 3. I think, sweetheart, you have done a mistake somewhere. And I think I can understand. No, no, it's not wrong. It's correct only. 8 root 3. Yeah, that's correct, Atishay. But have they given in the question root 3 is equal to this much? Wait, let me see. They have not.
No, ma'am, I
Okay,
haven't.
fine. Atishay, you are correct. Hassan, you are
Ma'am,
also
I got
correct.
24 by root 3, so converted to
Yeah, yeah.
13.8.
Ibrahim, you are also correct. Simran is also correct. Anybody who has done the or part of the first question, or part, height of the building.
Mom, I got 24.
Mom, it's
I got
20.
24.
Mom, I got 24.
Exactly. 24 is
Yeah.
the correct answer. Good job. Second one, second part.
Mom, that's 10.2.
10.1.
Wonderful. Yeah, approximately 10 meters. Very good, kids. And the final answer, third one,
41.52.
41.5. Root 2 is 1.4. So
Mom, is it 24 root 2?
24 root 2. Yeah.
Yes, Master, I
Yeah,
got.
yeah. You are also correct. Ibrahim is also correct. Avnita is also. So, guys, like, did you all understand this chapter pretty well? Applications of Trigo. Is it clear to
Yes,
everybody?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I just need to work on the calculation.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. If you have any problem, do let me know. And during our revision, we will do it again. And most of the kids, I think, other than Avnita, everybody will get a second round of it in school. Avnita has already got it. Others will get it in school. And even during the exams, we will do it one more time. I just want your support that anybody who has doubt in this chapter, two, three kids, if they combine together and tell me, I don't mind taking the basics again, but please do inform. But you have to do your homework of going through the recordings once. The recording help us in that way. Once the basic is clear, the chapter is not difficult. Now,
Ma'am, the answer to the second one is 11.144, right?
second one. 11.44 is little far. It's not 11.44. See, in that cases, no, you should round up the number. The first one you were getting was 13.8. We could make it as 14 meter, and the that was 14. And I think
Ma'am, I didn't round up. I just did directly.
directly also, no, there is a difference because PA is equal to AC according to the diagram. So if PA is equal to AC means it should be 24. 24 minus 14 has to be 10. 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, that much variation is okay. More than that
Okay.
won't be considered. So that you have to check. Okay. So our this chapter gets over. Next we will do next chapter we will start from Monday. Surface area volume is the chapter we are going to start. Whatever formulas you have learned till ninth grade related to surface area volume, please do brush it up. I will send it in the group. It will help you more than anything else. It will help you to understand the chapter better. I'll also take you through if there is anything new. But if there is nothing new, then basically we will have to concentrate in the method of calculation and understanding the question that we will do in the next class. Is that okay? And Monday, I want to request if everybody is available, it would be great because Monday, first day, right? I might take a little longer because if we can finish surface area volume by Wednesday, it would be great. Okay, so that we can, yeah,
Ma'am, and for the third one, it's 10.1 into root 2, right?
third one, 10.1 into root 2, third one. Is it 10.1 into root 2? 10.1. No,
The total is 24 into root 2.
24 root 2, right?
Yes,
Third,
ma'am.
third
24 into
one,
root 2.
they are saying find the distance of point P from the top of the signboard. That
Oh, okay.
means,
Ma'am, I messed up. I messed up. I messed up, ma'am. I know what I went
oh,
to.
okay, no problem. So if everybody is done, we can call it a day and we will continue from Monday. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye.
Mom.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
dear. Bye. Bye.
Ma'am,
Panache, were you saying something? Hey, that's okay, Panache. See, I'm happy that you are clearing your doubts. Answers or questions going wrong is not at all a problem. But you clear your doubts, I'm more than happy.
അവനോട് അയക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞു ഞാനിപ്പോ വെളിയിലാണ് പറ്റുള്ളൂ കേട്ടോ.
എടാ നോ പ്രോബ്ലം എന്താ വെച്ചാൽ എനിക്ക് തീരെയും കിട്ടുന്നില്ല അത് വർക്ക് സോ എനിക്ക് അറിയില്ലല്ലോ എന്താ സിറ്റുവേഷൻ ഇന്ന് എപ്പോൾ വേണേലും അയച്ചാൽ മതി ഈവനിങ് ആകുമ്പോഴേക്കും അയച്ചാലും കുഴപ്പമില്ല പക്ഷെ വീട്ടിൽ ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അവരെ മൊബൈൽ ഫോൺ എടുത്ത് അയച്ചാലും നോ ഇഷ്യൂസ് ഓക്കെ but you did not ask any doubts Pranad that was bad you were keeping quiet. Unless you ask, your doubts will not get clear. And if doubts are not cleared, it will be difficulty in the long run. Panache, were you saying something?